Kani gede dudashin Meghalaya bat ngi pediang saubhai pi baro shaka thup khubor mata ka janmiet shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babnia ngi nyapet shwai ki mat bakongsan Play usembut Menteri Rangba uba asnyau bhalang dhar ya ke building jong ke Krishi Vigyan Kendra Hawaya Jer Lapan ngat mukaddama penjak beriau halor ke jingsha Thombor usamla ke senong penter pentikna Superintendent of Police uba Bibex Im. Menjur ke All India Council for Technical Education ya ke Urban Planning Degree ha ke College of Architecture and Urban Planning Dura. Sedang ke Meghalaya ya ke jingpen bet thamai kerpang ha ke Electoral role palat riu pupra na ke shispa kinong tep vote la dep penshisha ong u Chief Electoral Officer. Bat penlong ke Shillong ya ke Limpung Second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship bat ke First State Level Taekwondo Championship. Mentanginya phashwa shaki khubor na ke leng ke jilla. Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke jilla uba asnyau bhalang dhar ula play ya ke Administrative Building jong ke Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Hawaya Jer ba ya shimbenta ha ke workshop jong ke National Initiative on Climate Resilient Agriculture NICRA kum ukongsan lapen long hapok ka phang pedeng pin kup bo di kinong rep da ki rukom tray kam ki start halor ke jingkala ka sunmedeng ha ga sngi la don ke jing shimbenta na ki he ka ICAR ringkat bat u Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare kum usimbut kongsan Hagani ka program uba dhar ula ai ka khusnam Best Nikra Award she ikong Blossom Nongrum da ka ba yaro ya ki jingno sinyang jong ka KVK sha ka jing bha jing miat jong ki nongrep
There is no great jobs, there is no lower job. But ikre orang. Lamang driver tu wakit ku kit blok repair itu blok muak tipi. Tapi baru driver tu bakal besar. We should understand what is the importance of our labor forces. Kalau mulai waduh muak kre itu tak tipi kata tak interrelationship angga dependent on each other.
Menteri Rangba ke jilla Conrad ke Sangma ula penmena ba ke jilla Meghalaya ke lalong ke belapen krep pura ban penlong ya ke National Games ya ke ba on penlong kum ka North East Story ha ke ba on ya shibenta na ke jilla ba Marjan ha ke jingalang jong ke CM Connect ha Shillong usangma ula yathu ba laipun riu hadu laipu pratali ki jat jingale kai on penlong ha Meghalaya kat ba ke Manipur kan penlong ya artali ki jat jingale kai bat ki wei pat ki jilla ka than stila mi ngi kin penlong mar ka wei ke Shillong kan penlong ya ki arpo tali ki jat jingale kai katura hanriu tali bat ka jawai lai hadu sau tali ka jing play kan long ha Shillong bat ka jing penkut kan long hatura.
This is the Integrated Hospitality Sports Complex. This is behind GN Stadium, as you know. This is almost complete. Just a bit of the facade is left. Another 2 crores. This will have badminton, basketball, and other indoor facilities that can take place, not just for this games, but in the future too. This is a beautiful complex. What we're doing for the National Games is, I was given a small condition, I should say, saying that please involve other states of the Northeast also. Let it be not just a Meghalaya story, let it be a Northeast story for the rest of the country. So we then sat down with the other states and we have given one discipline to the other Northeastern states. Except maybe I think Manipur is going to host 2. Otherwise, the rest of the Northeastern states are going to host one each. But we are the host city. So the host is Meghalaya only. It's just that one discipline is going to be given to different states.
Uba netno biwet kongsdo ula mudoi e jahar da kabakeno ba ukun jong u ula sha sho hadu bandayap haurang ba shnong ka shnong penter barki dikot jong ka village defense party hakan nyau trik ubnai yayong arhajar arpun riu. Superintendent of Police ba Vivek Siem ula pentikna belapengat mukaddama penyap briu bat kaying bishar kelam menjur ban sebiang ya kamet jong unong syak penyap nak bentaban le ya ka postmortem hak bala ap ya ka tarik nau SDO civil ka penusla. Uba Siem ula penpau ba kajing pensange trekam no ya ka VDP jong ka snong penter dak ba banjur ba omdei ban shim ya ki bor halaki kti kat ba kajing toket kadang ya chakmat.
Kajing kenok ga ijahar ga ayo Pediang na ukpa jong bala khlan upa net newbie wet kongsdo mulai dari jar sentri jong benai mintahi benai mi bad nu lakno angkar ba badan keti u rombasnong bad ki dekot ga VDP jong penter ba kila sho ladat yo kontu bad nak jing sho jingdat jengki u la khlan Hadi kani ka jingklat pula ai khafar but ya kani ka jingja khamdan ka jingpentep sya ka police station ne nau rang basnong ne ka VTP but ya kani ka ijahar la register ka murder case.
Ka All India Council for Technical Education AICTE kala ajing menjur ya ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning CAUP Tura ban ailat ya ka ban sedang ya ka Urban Planning degree neduk ka senem pule arhajar arpun riu arpun yau dak ba pediang lai pongut ki samla pule. Menteri dang ba gejela Konrad K Sangma ulapan bena yakni katba ka Vice Chancellor ka CWSSU ka Dr Vasanthi Vijaya Kumar kala penpau ya kajing sngongu dak ba penpau ba kane kade gejaka pule baningkong jong ka skul ba. Principal ketiga jaka pule Tapseng S Marak ula pentik na bakajing penrungkam ya kinong hikai kadang ya syakmat bat lapen bit penbiang ya kerukom hikai dak ba perkhat bakathan kadon haka seismic zone kabasan.
It's a great deal of satisfaction. We praise God for the opportunity that we got to start a professional institution, the first professional institution, which will be affiliated to the Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Because as of now, we have 15 humanities departments, and which is functional. We have finished one semester, and this is the first professional institution that we are going to have. And it was a big process.
College is already prepared to start this program. So we were waiting only the approval from the AICT. Since we have got the AICT approval, so very soon we will be advertising for admission to the program Urban Planning.
Jantia Presbyterian Synod Pedeng kelapan remjur ya kajing syak penyap badang shen jongki lai ngot ki pastor Hamanipur dak ba ong bagadei kakam ka bashir kei bat ka bakhau put persya ya kinong yalam niam ki ba IT lut ya kajing sok bat ka long briu man briu. Moderator Reverend HK Nong Besap ulapan pau kajing sngokia halor kajing syak penyap jong Reverend Bomthang Sitlu Pastor PK Kuang Lun, bat Pastor Poko Len, dak ba batay ya ketika jingjia kum ke ba penpat doknut, bat ke ba omla ban mudur. Ula banjur bagi jingle don bor ya kitu ki ba syakri blay bat ka imlang salang, kade ke jing syak thombor ha ke jinglong briu hi. Ka sinot kala penpau ya ke jing ya teli syaki long yeng ki bla du no ya kitiki dekot ka long yeng, bat ya ka balang, dak ba ai jing duai ban yo bor bat jing pentengen.
I stand here on behalf of the Khasi Jantia Presbyterian Synod Pedeng to express our heartbrokenness by the killing of the innocent life of the, especially of the ambush that take away the life of the 3 pastors in Manipur in the last few days. We could not imagine that life of religious leaders who stand for peace, solidarity to wear not spare. At the Synod we stand together in condemning such acts.
Kabor penyat district jong ka Southwest Garo Hills kalamana banyat ki Kalihe halor ka jingkieng ka Bakhatsan Lalai ha Beta Singh Ia kasurok garo badha dalu hadian balayo jing tip bakaladon ka jing julor ha jing tei ha kate jing king ka district magistrate ka Anandia Rajshri kalapenmi ia ketika hukum katkum ka kendon shispa andriu pulai jong ka Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita arajar arpulai ka bakadau ia jingma ia jing shngan jong ki patba ki he sarkar kila maham ba jing beteng kan ban pendon kam da ki kali he kala ban kta shu ia jing tei bat ka jingma bantua da kabatray ka mardor lakhang ki truck ki bos ki tanker ki kali kit mar ki dumper bat ki we ki kali ki balakit palat ya ke jingkit ban yat leng ba tat hadu banda dep ban maramot bat pen bahapan Lapan long ika program pen sengau tu halor ka jinglum bat bread renti iki jabo hapo ka clean amlaren campaign hayo amlarem kum shibenta ban rakhe ya ka jubilee ksia jong ka amlarem subdivision ka jingalang ka sakhi ya ka jingi shimbenta ki he sarkar ki bor sin sha shnong ki kin hon seng long kme ki nang shimbenta ha ka yo ka hat ki nong nya taxi ki nong di dukan bar ki nong shong shnong urang ba shnong uba compare polung ulaban jori ya kajing don kam kirki ya kajing khut jing suba ka babiang bat kajing penyaklat iki jabo da ka bapen paw ya kajing sngo khia halor ki jabo na ki jakasa bala ai ula pentip baki nong yalam shnong kham menshwa kilale jingo ya ka jaka bread ya ki jabo hashilong bantip ya ki rukom lom bat bread ya ki jabo katkum ka start science
Don Baslong Amren ma ka committee ki secretary bukan san ka awareness ka jingpun siapu habi ade baki jingkul di subana ne kunno ka jingpun tangi bagi pulang habi ade bakane ka awareness program ka bangyong awareness program na kabenta ka waste management ka pamot bangin ay kapag jing siapu ka jing persay habi ade na kabenta kini kinyot ki bangi mi ka bangi penmi nang ni na yo na hat na kidukan jompi na kali jompi ni na kendam ki nam sosnang ni lawan sado sa marten bat hangte ni na yo isa jing pensai kumno ba kilum kilang ya kijobo barang keju ko poro kambay tang kejobo andre ka de ka we na kilat kaban ai jakpo ya kilom ying no sem lamba ni ong gede kijobo jaban andre lamba ka scientific method mentangi i bagi kelalong kembang kelat kamajak po ya itu dina pukul ya itu bijabo
Kinong ilamba clear jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kan thup yo menteri rang ba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma ki menteri rang ba du ka jilla u ba Preston Tensong baru ba asnyaw bahalang dhar ringkat ki menteri sarkar ki MLA ki MDC bar ki he officer ki laple ya ka dhar plai ka karkhana shna plywood ka ba he hanarbong bernihat da kabalong try da uba ngat lang dhar lakmi lenti bakani ka karkhana kan ai kam da ki spa ngot kinong tray bat ban penbiang yaki mar plywood hakal leng ke jilla Meghalaya bat shabar kinong yalam kila yaro ya jing minot bat jing IT lut jong ba dhar da ka batay yakani ka karkhana kalong kum ka way na ki karkhana ka ba he tam hakathan stila mi ngi bat ka jing kentiw ka bakraw na ka benta ka yo kam yo jam jong ki samla bat ka roy ka par hakathan.
This morning we will be joined by Dr. W.R. Harlukhi, the Honorable Ladies and Gentlemen. I am thrilled to welcome each one of you to this.
Kajing pensengau thu pajba bat workshop hapo ka program Environment Education Program EEP la penlong hakasngi tho ding ha Social Forestry Complex Dokap Grade Tura kabala wanra lang yiki kena school bat kinong hikai na ki arpunyo tili ki school hakal leng ki than West Garo Hills South West Garo Hills bat ka subdivision Dading Grade da kajing baiting ka de katanat Environment Forest and Climate Change ka program kala sakhi ya kajing kren halor ka triple planetary crisis jong kajing du kajing thawa im kajing jabo bat kajing kala ka sunmeneng bala ai da divisional forest officer u ACH sangma kisamla puli kila shimmenta hagijing hikai bala le da kikti halor kajing itu ikisambay kajing shnas bo kajing penkre ikisambay bat kajing tho halor kijat jingthung kabatmu ban pendap yaki da kijing temit bala ban penne pensa Ladon arpulai hajar sanspa lai pungut ha Meghalaya kibla dep ai jingken yeladi ha ka census kebrang ya chakmat ha ka ba kani jingken kadang play hadu shiteng miet jong ka sngi tho ding u director of census operations u Bizwajit Pegu ula pentikna ba baro khat artli ki district kila pendep ya ka geo tagging ya ki jaka ba pau bat bantha ki house listing block baro prajar lai spa khandai ngut ki nongken bat ki nongpet kin penlong ya ka jinglum jingtip na man la ki thliu yeng na du ka sngi tho ding hadin blapendep ya ki jing hikai.
For the state of Meghalaya, total self-enumeration so far has taken place is 23,530 numbers. This may increase because the self-enumeration is there till midnight of 15, that is tonight. This is the overview of the house listing blocks that has been created, that has been geotagged with various landmarks, and also the demarcation for the HLVs have already been completed. For the state of Meghalaya, it's 100%. For all the districts, for all the 12 districts, they have completed 100% geotagging of landmarks and as well as the creation and demarcation of the house listing blocks.
Kador jong ko umpniang petrol ba diesel hanong ba Shillong kalakiw hadin ka jingkiw dor jong ko umpniang habaro ka kari kabla tray kam na du ka shiteng mi jong ka sngi palay katkum ka jingyat hu jong utray petrol pump usanchet sureka kador jong ka petrol kalakiw da artangka sanpun riu naya shilitar kata na khandai pun riu tengka laipo naya syaka khandai pu pratengka prapun riu naya kat ba ka diesel kalakiw artangka riu pu ar naya shilitar kata na ka prapun nyaw tengka sanpo naya syaka khandai tengka khat arnaya kani gajing kiu dor kabala pensyong nongrim ha gajing kabrang ya shakmat ha ka perthei kalapen mi ikjing snaukia watla kinong die jing die kidang kermen bakan kta jur ya ka kam khayi pateng. Palat khat riu lak ngut kinong thep vote ha Meghalaya la itu hapo ka electoral roll jong usnem arhajar san hashwa jong ka special intensive revision kaban sedang ha ka laipo trik ujeliu u chief electoral officer u BDR Tiwari ulaong bapalat riu pupra na ka shispa naki arphulai pon sau lak kinong thep vote ha gajella la dep ban penyahap kajinglet rung nakaway ka yeng syakaway ka yeng deki booth level officer kanyay beteng hadu ka arp khandai tarik unai tung ha kabaya ka draft roll on sa penmi ha ka santrik unai lar bat ka final roll ha ka nyaw tarik urisau utiwari ulapen syai beki nong thep vote kibla don kerteng ha ka thup jong snem arhajar san kidan kam tang ban IT ya ka benta kabiya day na ka take a roll bat ka form lum jingtip.
So why birth certificate is not only one document. There are certain they might have the SC, ST, OBC certificates also. There might be passport and there are certain other list of the documents are there. So ration card might be there. So they can produce any document and if they already mapped and then extract of the voter list, mother, father, everything. So I don't think there will be any major problem in respect to the documents in the state.
Kaborsan Shah District jong ka East Giant Hills kalapan mana bagajing penrong kerteng yaki yeng nakabenta ka census arhajar arpunyaw kan long nadu ka khat riu turik ujemang hadu ka khat saw turik ujeliu arhajar arpun riu u additional deputy commissioner uba A Nongbri ula ong ba ki enumerators kibal ajing hikai da ka office jong ka district ken let chaman laki long yeng ban lum yaki jing tip balapin shisha halor ka jing bun riu ka jing nang jing start ka jing trekam ka yo ka kot ka jing nyaw jaj ban riu ka jing duna ki khot met ka ktien ka thaliet ka nyam bat ka jing wan buhai snong ki jing kli ki don kumba lai phulai tali ki baken thop ye ki jing tep babnia shapang ka yeng ki telong ka boarding ki pan khana ka phnyang shet jing shet bat ka jing long try ki mar ki mata jong ka yeng uba nong bri ulaken tui ki nong song snong ban ai ka jing etre lang dak ba pentikna ba ki jing tep baro ken long ki bari katkum ka census act shiajar khandai spa sau pupra
Habosim yak census mut ba kan long kum ka telong ka batikna hawan ai yak jingtip halor ka jinglong jong ki nong sungsno lani ka demografi ka bang hakani kindan ki bri ki bana kaliang jong ki church officers ki la thung ki la depan ai training yaki ka ba ni tip kum ki enumerators ti kini ki enumerators apo ki pet jong ki supervisors kin room haman la koi pakoi ka 3 year bat pakan shim ya ki bat pan shim ya ki jingtip jong jong katu kayang kasam te borok kin dan like kali jingkali coba nak yang jung kilometers kin kali ya pi tumpi try jung katu kayang kanang ba ka sarkar kanjo ya ke jingtep ke bapaka
Katbay ke election siteng Samoy na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kalajan kiseng kibahe kilas dang ban penbiang khatdu no iki kertong jongki kaseng Congress kalapen benaya kertong u President Jongka uba Vincent Pala kumu kertong katbay ke NPP kan penyang yau Dr. DRL Nonglight ka VPP kalapen benaya ke kerteng jong nong Aiktien Jongka u Dr. Bats Kem Mirbo kumu kertong katbay kaseng BJP Pat Kamshim lapen benaya kertong Jongka Unong Aiktien kaseng uba M Kharkrang ula pentip baya ukertong on sapen menatang hadien baka election commission jong kari India kelapen menai kitarik ban penlong ya ka election. Ula benrap baka ne ka day kadukom baka seng kala jule.
BJP will announce the name of the candidate after the election dates are declared by the Election Commission of India. That is how the party functions. You have seen the last MLA elections also. Get waited till the elections are declared. So that is how the party functions. So I think so we'll have to be patient and wait for that.
Kaseng BJP kalayada ya karai jong ka sarkar pedeng ban penkiu ya kador jong ka umpnyang petrol ba diesel hakeleng kari baken thup ya ka Shillong. Unang Aiktien kaseng uba M Kharkrang ula ong baka sarkar pedeng kalayale banjada na kajing penkiu dor hanrei ki company umpnyang ki mat ya kajing du nong ka bakraw man la kasngi. Ula kintu ya ki brio ban buat perking ya ki dukom trekam ki ba penduna ya kajing shimpisa na shabari dak bakadaw baka jinglong jingman ha Middle East kalong shabar na kajing pet jong ka sarkar.
We are dealing with a geopolitical situation right here, okay? And the government has been trying to prevent any hike in the petrol prices to the extent that oil companies are incurring losses worth of thousands of crores every day. And it has come a time they will not be able to sustain themselves anymore. So this is happening throughout it's a worldwide phenomenon. And because of the crisis in the Middle East. So I think so it's not isolated to India alone, and it's a worldwide phenomenon. So I think so we have to accept that.
Kashnong umden umbatiang Hariboy District kalarake kajingdap khatsan snem jongka nadubla thungyaka kum Kashnong Bapura kabahap hapo kabhoy rembong Community and Rural Development Block. Hangani ka program lawan ya shimbenta da kinong shong shnong kiriu pau khmat bakin thup yo MDC uba isin a hing kum ukong san batla yo iru ikajingwan ya shimbenta na kidkhot jong Kashnong penthor boylasa kabla nyaw yaka kum Kashnong kami kinangilam shnong barim bakin thup ya uba shor nong harai uba day rangba shnong baningkong bat uba limbub ringhang secretary shnong baningkong kila sya penkop buram hakani ka sngi kum juru ikisamla puli kibla pa sa ka examen SSLC arajar arpun riu kinong shong shnong bala rangba kila sya penkop buram hakani ka sngi UMDC uba isin a hing ula yaro ya kajing IT lut jong kinong shong shnong bat kentu ya kajing ya teli bat kajing ya trailang nakabenta ka roy kapar ka bansawan. Kumshi benta jo kan Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan la penlong ye kajing yakop ruai bat ai jing kren lingkot ha kajaka yang ki taksi hanong ston ban kintiu ye kajing pen sngo thu pat ba persha ye kajing sniu jong drok ha West Khasi Hills District ye kanega program bala penlong daka ong e main socio cultural welfare society ha kajing ye trailang bat ka board district la yo e ye kajing wan ye shimbenta shithem jong ki babun haringkat kajing ya don jong ki pat ba babun kinong ya shimbenta kila pen sngo ye ka khubor kabaklan halor kijing pensha ya udrok lengba kijing ruai bat kijing kren jongki kababanjor ya kijing yada ba kijing kersan jongki bhaying basem ikong de gracia pakenten ila penpau baka thong jong kane kijing ya lapat ba kalong ban yada ki khenna bat ki samla na kijing snew jong udrok da kabakentu ya kijing trelang na kinong ya lam shnong ki school ki seng bhalang bat ki pat ba. District Legal Services Authority West Khasi Hills District Nongston kalapan long ika program penchai patba halor kaan hayeng dorbar jong kasnong kse ko mot ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Kiriu Shampang bakentup ya EE Mertong ALADC, EL Nongrem LAC, EB Kurba Protection Officer DCPU, bat EE Myrom DSEO kila ay jingkren haganika jingalang. Hakabalawannya shimenta da usor dar shnong bat kinong shong shnong. Kinong kren kilapin sngaw tu halor kikendon jong kaan Pokso Act arajar khatar ke NDPS Act kanal sa scheme arajar khatsan bat ke Juvenile Justice Act arajar khatsan da ka banjur halor ke jingdon kam jong ke jingyada ya ka bha kamya jong ki khna ke jingyada na ke jing sha le ben bat ke jing pentikna banyo ya ke jing shakri a hakaliang kaan. Mentapat ngenya pa shiki kubor ya lekai. Kanong ba Shillong kala sakhi ya kalimpong ya lekai martial arts kabahe hakaba ka All Meghalaya Taekwondo Association kala panlong ya ka second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship bat ka state level Taekwondo Championship ka baningkong Halaban Sports Club. Ya kani kalimpong ba arsngi la play do lampang ka yeng dorbar thawan u Thomas A Sangma haka jingedon ringkat jong Grandmaster ka South Korean u Wan Yong Lee. Palat South Pangut kinong lekai na keleng kathan stila mingi kelaya kop haka jinge lekai kyo rugi bat ka pomse ka president ka association ka Pinky Narzari kala ong bakani ka championship ka longru kum ka jingjet nong lekai nakabenta kinong lekai haka senior category hashwa ka national championship ka banlong ha Manipur.
So this is the second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship. All over from Northeast has represented here. More than 400 plus athletes from all over the Northeast. And why we have conducted this event, especially for the senior national selections from the Meghalaya. And as of now, the preparation is going good. Hope for the best. What the result will come out.
Mentapat nginya pet ya ke jinglong jingman ke semineng hakil lengki benta jong ke jela. Hatura kajing kreat kalong 4 degree Celsius, bar kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius, kajing sngam kahaw-haw matasi kalong prapo na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong 4 millimeters. Habapai pat Shalong ba Shillong kajing kreat kalong 4 degree Celsius, bar kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius, kajing sngam kahaw-haw matakasni kalong 9 na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong 10 millimeters. Kadbaha Jowai pat kajing kreat kalong 4 degree Celsius, bar kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius, kajing sngam kahaw-haw matakasni kalong 9 na kashispa, kajing hap slap kalong 4 millimeters. Kandon kajing hap slap bamalumala ba kajing tiat upertat Hatura Shillong bat Jowai. Shwaban poy siya kabakut jong katuk kubuang yang japay biyang sa sisiyan niya kimat bakongsan. Pli usimbut Menteri Rangba ubas niyaw halang dhar ya ka building jong ka Krishi Vigyan Kendra Hawaya Jer. Lapan ngat mukadama penyap beliau halor kejing syak tombor usamlah kesenang penter, pentikna Superintendent of Police ubak bibik scheme. Menjur ke All India Council for Technical Education ya ke Urban Planning Degree haka College of Architecture and Urban Planning Tura. Sedang ke Meghalaya ya ke jingpen bet themai kerpang haka Electoral Roll palat mriu puprana ke shispa kinong the vote la de penshisha ong Chief Electoral Officer. Balapan long ke Shillong ya kalimpong second Meghalaya Open Taekwondo Championship bat ke first state level Taekwondo Championship. Teparlok katung ila poy siya kabakut jong katup kubuar jongi meta ka janmiet hadu medai syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublay pi baro.